My name is Maya. Thank you for downloading my app. You will be asked to type 3 symptoms to offer advice. If the 3 symptoms you choose are red, please call 999 or go to a hospital now. If 2 out of the 3 symptoms you choose are red, consult a doctor as soon as possible. If you cannot get an appointment, please go to the local hospital. If one of the symptoms is red, please call and speak to your doctor before you book an appointment. When 3 or 2 symptoms are green, please call NHS 111 or book an appointment to consult a nurse in the surgery. Illness with 3 yellow symptoms can be managed using treatment that local chemist advises you. I will teach you how you can differentiate common from serious illness and advise you to consult the right medical professional if necessary.